Hey everyone, this is going to be just a small video in which I'm going to tell you what exactly I am going to make in my next video. Here you can see the stair parts. This one is the stair part, so I was decorating it with my crafts in here in this row, and this wall as well. I have painted it. Here you can see, and these are my crafts things I am putting on this shelf. So rest of them are here. What came in my mind, I am thinking to remove this part from here, and I want to draw a window in here which will be showing the view of anything, of view like a landscape, a garden, or just sky and some fields or some birds. I don't know. There are 3-4 ideas in my mind, but I exactly didn't decide yet what exactly I will be making here, which will looks like nice and attractive, because this part I was feeling it a little bit boring. So I have decided to draw a window with acrylic paints directly on the wall. First I was thinking to use the cardboard box. Cardboard box mean I was thinking to make the window with the cardboard pieces and then to draw something on the wall, but then I thought I should not use the cardboard. Let's try first to draw it with the acrylic paints, the window shape as well. If it doesn't look nice or it will not give 3D shape, because I am not perfect to be honest in making the 3D shapes. If it doesn't look nice or it will not give the looks of the real window type somehow, then I will be using the cardboard stripes or pieces over that window, which I will be drawing with the acrylic paints, and then we will see what I will be doing. So yeah, this is the next plan I am going to do, and I just wanted to give you some idea that what you can do with your stair parts as well. So I will be removing this. I will start to draw the window and I will start filming it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this tiny small video. Please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on bell icon so you can get the notifications for latest video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.